out of Guyana, Brooklyn, and Cincinnati, foreign links. So we did the flip, and the rules go 3 rounds, 15 minutes each. No bias. After each round, we gonna vote. So we need all y'all participants to vote for who you think played the best. So we're gonna judge each round. Each round is a point. If it go past, if one sound went 3 rounds straight, it's a lock off. No more tune for tune to play. But if one sound win 1 round and the other sound win 2, they going for tune for tune.
Sound for sound.
You might say no lock off, you might say lock off. What do people want? If one sound went 3 rounds straight, do y'all want to lock off or do y'all want to hear tune for tune? Tune for tune or lock off? We're going to go tune for tune, so no lock off rule. The sound's going to shoot. 3 rounds, 15 minutes, then tune for tune, 6, the best 6 sounds, 6 songs. That's a fight. That's a fight. That's a fight. Shoot fight. Shoot fight. The man wants shoot fight. Shoot fight. So yo, we did the flip. We did the flip. Hold on. We did the flip. Foreign Links won. Foreign Links won. But he chose to have Rolling Thunder go first. So all of massive, are you ready for the war? Rolling Thunder, your 15 minutes start when you play your first tune.
Great to the levels in pure majesty, Slash on the first. King of King, rule of all things, not a land, conquering land, and tribe, but you don't drive for rule, ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. Celestia, first of all, don't come up on the stage with somebody else on the stage. Just stay where you stay. You know what I'm saying? Yo, I used to right now, brother. Let me get into my auntie.
This is Iman Rashilo exclusively on Rolling Thunder. Secreberto, say original Della. All of the Cincinnati family, this is Rashilo exclusively. Rolling Thunder was born in the desert, coming from Cincinnati. And oh, and just like the sound boy we've been killing ever since. It's been a long time coming, but I know Rolling Thunder will kill your sound.
Let's rise and shine. Give Rolling Thunders on the trophy. Playing good music for me. Now I say you should open your eyes and see. Let us sing and shout. Rolling Thunder sound praises forever, so the world can see.
You are playing with the zero sound, yes. Rolling Thunder will throw you down. Rolling Thunder is serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, he's only in the Father, the love who gives us. Rolling Thunder is serious, cantankerous and dangerous. Lord, all over the world, every sound is dangerous.
Rolling Thunder, he's dangerous. Hey, he's so dangerous. Hey, in God he like put his zest. Hey, when the sun comes shine and the rain comes, dangerous. And when the moon at night and it shines so bright, you are serious.
Are you ready to get started here?
That's some contest. Rolling Thunder, we get there.
We're not done with the praises yet because we say God first on everything after.
Take it away. Glory, hallelujah. Rolling Thunder playing. That's so nice to play. Oh, wait. I want them to vex and vex. Upset them upset.
Hey, yo, finally!
Hey! Well, tell them dead now. You're trying to this rolling thunder dead now. You never live to see tomorrow. When the plane on them berry. Well, some boy them dead.
Turn it up now. Turn them in the crowd. Wow, 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 wow. What when it is? Today we're rising the sound clash. Boy, this and them get fast. I drum and light tonight. We don't care who want fight and no one criticize. So yes, live the life. Sound boy, say what you want to, do what you want to. It's no concern to win. But when you hear about rolling thunder sound, I don't been moving under mercy. Rolling thunder am I sound, and we can kill any clown we want to. Thunder my sound, and a murder when we pass through.
I see him up all night. All night, I'm up in the front. All night, I'm up in the front.
On my head, rolling thunder, killing tonight. Gonna kill them all night. On my way, going to the place door. Someone gonna be it.
Tell him how we know.
It's more than me. Rolling thunder, way too powerful. Something. Sound killer, sound killer. Take it, no, no. Same thing. Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Kill them already, we go and kill them again. Shot them already, we go and shot them again. Yes, we sound killer. Rolling thunder as a sound killer. Sing and enough sound coming now.
England, New York. That boy that fast. Kill them by breakfast. Okay. Well, how would you feel if you step in at the dance and the star? Rolling thunder M16 as a lap to jar. You feel like you want to disappear, but you can't. A rolling thunder and them no walk with the law. Batman will shut your face off. Who stop?
I first row. I see boy get kicked in all night. When I've been starting, I get. Tell him about rolling thunder now.
It's the rolling to the thunder.
If you look around Cincinnati,
It's the king.
you can't tell. A lot of my children are here.
Them dead again now.
Tell
Sure. From you see a carbon, then you can know one different from the original man. Everybody was a rolling thunder and the champion. And another little thing, and you see clear down in the revelation. One man was birthed, then he is the lamb. They sit down on the shoulder and gun down. Hear me now.
Make sure I keep the time in all these arguing, all this something there, brother. Because sound clash is just entertainment, and also take it serious and all these emotions and all these things, brother. Let me just clash and entertain the people then. You see me, I say, kill sound, brother.
See them a fighting up, but them can't stop rolling thunder no deal of time. In come the music and thing gone. Up for takes again. Rolling thunder go kill the whole of them. We see the whole of them. We see the whole of them. They not see them over there, so they end up in bad them. We kill the whole of them. We kill the whole of them. Them get up on a fight, we shaggy better than them. We see the whole of them. We see the whole of them. See them over there, so roll the thunder upon them. We kill the whole of them. We kill the whole of them. Them a fight rolling thunder, but we better than them. Yes, them could have.
Rolling thunder.
Tell them walk with them casket. Tonight them a blood clot dead. Gunshot in a them blood clot dead. The pussy them want stop me breath.
Be like. I dollar.
7 minutes. I see
On the
fun.
evil speller.
If I'm little one, I see
It's rolling
rolling
thunder.
thunder, man.
Ah! So rolling thunder guns them tall like Blue Mountain Peak. Anytime them bust them make people blood leak. Stop boy brutal lock off them mad beat. Them sound I get a permanent sleep. Again, rolling thunder guns them tall like Mount Everest Peak. Anytime them bust them make people blood leak. Stop boy brutal lock off them mad beat. Them sound I get a permanent sleep because the guns them turn up.
Yo, fire links. You know you done fucked up. You know you done fucked up, right? I'm gonna kill your pussy in a
Haunted pussy, look like a see I got home with your love pussy. Haunted pussy, I'm the top pussy. On the way you come, me know say you are not pussy. Haunted pussy, look like a see I got home with your love pussy. Haunted pussy, I'm the top pussy. On the way you come, alright, go.
Rolling thunder.
if ever that's what chat. Man, run off your mouth. Let me tell you one thing.
Shut your mouth when the thunder talking. This is big gunshot to be barking. Boy, that's like on this. Rolling thunder, no shoot and miss me sing and get well.
I have a new gun. Kill FADA links tonight. You want to hear how it sound when it goes off?
Right now, never get through right now.
FADA links not get no blood.
Right now,
The pussy not get no blood.
so. Busy we kill sound boy, we kill vampire. Hey, rolling thunder, I jump and murder rap. Me say we kill sound boy, we kill vampire. Say rolling thunder is a serial killer.
Pull up. You know what? We don't worry, brother. We don't have no fear in this.
I listen to first.
Yeah.
Oh, here I and I answer to the line. Oh, bless me, mighty God, bless me, so that they can curse me, bless me, mighty God, bless, holding thunder sound. Play what you wanna play, yeah. That's how rolling thunder concern.
We don't worry about nothing.
Will never lose its way, yeah.
Listen, we don't worry about nothing.
Time to reverse. They can't kill my sound. Could never kill my sound. No man selectors around. They try to push you to the ground. That sound, but no can't kill my sound. Could never kill my sound. Rolling thunder, where's the crowd? We pray to one who sees the David so now.
I think I like a bit of jump and roll like something like. Oh God, I don't know what she's thinking. I do some people want to take up the gun. Not up to the one for touch the thumb now. The silence of the share of yes. Not feel like no idiot son. Cause I'm never what you're the vibe. Rolling thunder, I'm your biggest fan. Run up in the wall and go and kill your fan. One time for queen. Just let them know say love representing. Big rolling thunder, I'm your biggest fan. And the boy when you're running like you shut them down. While down the street, I rolling thunder and some sound on my list.
Pull up on the first round. Nothing now go on as tune about looking at night. Tell them what going in your brother.
Well, if they love them sound sweet and the people them a dance, I must rolling thunder, the rest now a dance, Lord. Kill some,
Come on, tell him.
and I say, hey, Mr. DJ, kill them all again. Well, it's a rolling thunder where the people them depend. From now till the morning, they don't play no end. Come back, copy from it, that represent once again. Hey, Mr. DJ, kill that sound again. Well, it's a rolling thunder where the people them depend. From now till the morning, a sound boy get end.
Rolling thunder, lock it up once again. And anywhere in the world, there is no escaping it. So rolling thunder is everybody's favorite.
This is Johnny Sims alongside the Rolling Thunder, so they don't know man like Shaggy Danger, they a shotgun, Mikey Culture, yo, Al Capone, Armstrong, we say some boys in the morning clash ready for that, blood goes blood, clad splash. Somewhere we should have never end up in a clash together right now.
We tell us on the first row.
That's actually oh, you know I'm no pity. So not living it tonight. Rolling to the come for put out the light. When I show them no pity now. Oh, you know I'm no pity. So not living it tonight. Rolling to the come for put out the light. When I show them no pity.
Yo.
CNN Breaking News. This is CNN Breaking News.
There was an assault taking place on Farm Links. I'm going to call a name. Rolling Thunder. House of Threat. Farm Links. They're at the Reggae Room.
Hey, first row.
What you say? Yeah, Marcy, what you say about Rolling Thunder? What you say about Rolling Thunder? If you think that was fire, wait for Foreign Links to come shoot. Yo, Foreign Links. Yo, let me express something. This is an all dub plate war. The mind say Rolling Thunder played a 45. Now all the people know a 45 from a dub plate. A dub plate talk about a sound, disrespect the sound. 45 is just a song. So we're not playing no 45s, pure dub plate. So if you hear a 45 and you still like the way the brethren play, give him a forward. But the man fight and say he played a 45 and he say he want him to lose the round. So it's not my judgment. It's still a loss. It's up to the people. So no worry, we're gonna keep this war going. We're not gonna bother with that. If you love the way the brethren play, you vote for him when the round over. If not, you vote for this brethren when the round over. So Foreign Links, your 15-minute start when you play your first song. Walk on, brethren. Okay, play your round, and we'll go with the promoter. We'll go with what you say. Play your round. Play your round. Play your round. If you don't play your round, you still don't win nothing. Fight your fight, bro. You ain't even played your round. It's a vote. What song? Tell me what song. What song? What song? You have to tell us. You can't scream it. You can't scream it. What you gonna do? You done? The lock off already? It's not me. It's not me.
Now this is the mighty discipline song. You don't know you on the town scene. Discipline song.
Yo, people. Do you want the brethren to play or you want to lock off? I don't play. The people play the money to see you. The people play the money to see you, brethren. You're not playing the 45. We got it, man. Come on, brethren. Play your song. Play your song. Yo, Massive, you still ready for the war? Let me hear you say, yo! You still ready for the war? Say, yo! Foreign links, they ready for you to bust, rolling thunder up. They say you've been talking enough. So, yo, brethren, it's all the hype. So, yo, brethren, your 15 minutes start when you play your first song. Come on, brethren. They're here to see you play. Quit all the lava. Play your song, brethren. Play your song, brethren. Yo! Come on, brethren. They want to hear some song. Don't kill tonight. The people come to see this. You see the people here? Come on, brethren. The century say throw a 45 in, even. Let's go, brethren. Play your songs. Your 15 minutes start when you play your first song. Ready? Press play. Cue it up. Move.
Yeah. Alright. Yeah, my big respect to all the people that will come out from early, you know, do a reggae room with them, you know. You understand me? Because here we are going now. Here we are going. We call out the 45 early for address it at the time. Then wait till the round down and then one address it. See? You understand what they are dealing with? So, we are dealing with the soul business, man. But anyway, we are CINATI. You understand? So, we don't see what I'm going already. The man come and play holy band dubs, right? Him saying from CINATI. And him not rich CINATI artist. So, we are start out with the CINATI artist. What?
If they're not have money, then them can't talk to it. Foreign links, if they're not have money, then them can't talk to it.
Hey, come on, play a shit and do.
Just talk, just talk, and just talk.
Why not play a CINATI artist? Which boy the boy from?
That a pass, just talk, and just talk, just talk, and just talk. You want a brass, and one frost, man a top fast. Father links right now, you just a keep back, a six pack, diamonds for your wristwatch, a Swiss that yellow.
Don't be call out the 45, don't they make me look like I.
Make the money put your hand up on the hilltop. Make the money put your hand up on the hilltop. On the cliff dad, I'm on the big hill dad.
What them say now?
Ceiling stars, foreign links. Can't stop and no trust talk. Can't stop and no trust talk. Money moves, can't see me and I job chance. Broke life good
Right now, but that's so yes.
Can't stop and no trust talk. Can't stop and no trust talk. You want a bra and a one flash. Man I got fast. Foreign links, yo. Big up millions. Pile up. Every single day pile up.
Yeah, but the franchise show, me a kill it tonight, yeah.
It's a couple finals. Investment and turn like the wheel on them.
You ever call up the marshman and say, marshman, give me a $2 man.
It's broke life, me a tell you time. Legalize for your arm.
You play one set of dub and him name the car yet.
Can't stop and not touch that.
What them say?
Can't see me and not drop that. Broke life, could I never fit for real front. Can't stop and not touch that. Can't stop and not touch that. You want a bra and a one flash. Yeah, them pussy in a good life.
They might play more than 10 dub and him name the car yet. So here we are.
Don't boy, I play this one man a splice. I go on like a band of smell myself killing harmonize. Oh, there! That is it! And the boy violate foreign links. You know, we are going into every clip of man and general and the boy is up in our play with him there. You have DJ FADA links, the whole things on that team.
Be a professional song, you know.
To Jamaica, whole New York City without pity. And the boy I get and kill it. Oh, yeah! Boy, I play this one man a splice. The thing for the man to find out. Yeah, foreign links from a card song. We'll call them Splice God. Splice food, splice.
What is it?
Play splice up on your little splice up. Splice see that, forget gotcha. This foreign links, and you
If I run the pot down and play 40-45.
splice food, splice club. I play splice up on your little splice up.
You think so, yeah?
Gotcha. This foreign links, trust me with that. Doctor, ask them. I spliced up on this, I'm afraid. I'm got tune from the 90s, and I know the doctor scan.
Call the boss man and tell the boss man cut the next up for you with your name inside.
Why you get the next voice? The post of them people never heard. I play some about Sanchez. Well, the know say I'm singing bird. The man I play some meaning down and talk about dancehall king. That's how I'm meaning. That's how I'm...
Or in a rough with me, you know.
And so do I play some fake mojo. Them there and the mojo, them sound like a jojo. And I'm the nerve of that killer. That's how I'm to my own. That is body filler. Splice gun, splice wood, splice club. I play splice up for your little splice up. Splice either, forget.
Pick up the early DJ who warm up the party.
That boy there, splice gun.
But you must stick to the concept. CINATI, what you answer?
Boy there, that is it. And the boy violate foreign links, you know, empty every clip. About that, you know.
Wait, everybody from Price Hill?
Make them know.
Anybody from Bad Hill?
I hear around the place. I want them around it. CINATI, the boss from New York there. Father, let's play with him. I'm going to tell him about the place.
Let me play the anthems.
You hear me now? CINATI, just hear me now. You New York, your Father links. Any other?
Here when the money spread.
Just violate the thugs from the west side. We silence and them nice. Just go at the kids' corner. Cause you have foreign links and no size. If you want to get killed, just violate the thugs.
Anybody from Lincoln Heights?
You go pay every day. From you official shoot off your scale. Hear me now, one hill. Anybody violate with them get killed. When we say me, sir, blood splash out in a day, sir. Hear me now, downtown. College Hill thugs, them no run wrong. If you dismount empty.
Anybody?
The phone, yo, CINATI. Make them know we don't part with coffee. If you dis,
Oh, you come play 45.
them can't happy.
Money up for spend, yeah.
None of them can this father links. Plus I know where we come from. Bullet a full up every jump and once we don't fear them. Them attack but we don't hear them. If them this father links, here and there gun them, pierce them.
What is that?
Man place, Batman town. Family links, so is a what?
What is that?
If you this father links in a blood you watch home. You we a represent you with
I saw you play custom.
years, Batman town. Family links, so is a Batman sound. If you this father links in a blood you watch home. We a represent you.
You think so you have the 45?
Violate the drugs them from Southside. These links are dead now, no
What them say?
just go at the kids' corner, cause you have links on the size. If you want to get killed, just violate the drugs them from Price Hill. Big up here for me, from you official shoot office.
CINATI.
One hill, anyone.
Alright, look. Alright? Since the boy play 45, in the reading Bible that come out tonight, so we have to make him read the 10 commandments.
Boy there, that is it. And the boy violate foreign links on the way empty every clip. I hold my rampant watch a DJ father link.
What them say?
CINATI, the whole New York, the whole...
They are selling for read the 10 commandments, the sound system.
The boy this a funeral, what do they know about sound? No one not doing that. Foreign links. Watch out. Check. Oh.
You think so you play 45 and get wet?
Yeah, DJ
What
father.
do you spend? What you say?
Think about that, General. Watch out, tell them. Say rule number 1. Sound boy, you know for playing a splicer. If you play a fake, automatically use a dead man. That splice don't play thing that clash not supposed to happen.
Which one thing there?
Foreign links are going to give you a couple. Yeah, rule number 2, every song for you that. Foreign links play the drum already, brother. Don't play back. But take a sit when someone song them in the business. Some boy you play back song every night like them in the business. Yeah, rule number 3, maybe the worst one around. Now some man not for tell promoter of use an next man so.
What them say them honest?
You know, they're brutal. Them I can't repeat it to man like so.
A big song we are playing against, boy. What you say?
4 is a simple thing. If you never win a crown yet.
Stick to 45.
But I ever say King this and King that son over Facebook and them now win the flash. Man you, that's not a good look. Yeah, rule number 5 is a thing what we need for talk about. No son when them are dead, them pick up them laptop and them walk out. Brother, all you walk out and the clash before it done. And true, you don't have no song. It was just an empty gun. Yeah, rule number 6 is a thing for things to preach. Now call yourself a bad MC. If you don't have no speech, brother, you're just a party up with music. That's everything where you talk about a party business in that music. Yeah, rule number 7 is a thing for things 8. And not to around something that tight pants we know on the street. But so from you see them, you will know them. And the old school and forward from. It's a new generation to see that know them. But tell them sound clash is a different thing. If they
Stick to your 45. What you say?
to clip them with rule number 8 and just without a chastise. But when I like to sound a shared up like them a franchise. Some other games.
If a franchise song, him call up this song in New York and say, boss, let me get the 2 dub now, man. Spend your money on dub, brother. What you
want to say? Foreign links are foreign links to the world, you know? Tell them all about representative of FADA and DJ Raspberry, DJ FIDO, DJ I Selector.
What you say, CINATI?
Selector Leroy. Your foreign links, drop it like a bomb. Yeah, yo. Father Arnold, tell them this one is special, you know? Yo. Foreign links that take program, Raspberry that take body from no man. You can suck up your teeth and screw up your face below.
You won't fight me no more.
See, foreign links that take program, Kush that take body from no man. You can suck up your teeth and screw.
May I take time and beat him tonight?
Yeah. They must see feel that them more than me, because some can program word. Over them a walk, but it got no whole band. We go find your girl and try program share. And no matter what them do, it now work. Some sound just cursed and grasp and jaw hurt. Anyway, that me go, there is one thing we know. Foreign links, them all run the turf. Yo, foreign links that take program. I say that take program. You can suck up your teeth and screw up your face. We love your waist and bring your own down. Yo, foreign links that take program. Adrian that take body from woman. You can suck up your teeth and screw up your face below.
Watch out, me I play intelligent, you know.
Release the fear nobody. When it comes to some clash, we got no.
Big up CINATI, what you say?
Talk about top song in Guyana. Me talk about foreign link song. The West Side song. Your father and they latch up yourself anywhere where you're dead. DJ Raspberry, let them know anytime them kiss them Ras dead. Your DJ Fido, let them know they can't juggle like we do. DJ I Selector Kush. DJ Andre, Selector Lem.
What them say about them?
This is Alabama. Representative for the roughest, toughest song in Guyana. Foreign links.
Yeah, but what do you engineer them on? Turn up the song now.
Your feet up and the rust spread, you know. Them no one foreign links to grow out here. But when them drop tune, them drop them.
We don't see what I want.
Play the music and them start cheer. A foreign links tell them we don't care. Them no one foreign links to grow out here. But when them drop tune, them drop them like nuclear. When the C Selector let me all of them.
I want to say no.
Foreign links and we don't care. Tell them a foreign links for them, we no fear no song. Selector push up the play the killer, jump and clowns and them spin up. Foreign links got the whole West Side locked down. And if they want to bomb, we kill them off. Rock we rock, tell them we step up if them think them ready. Bomb we bomb, but them realize them in the deep water. Them bomb we drop, them can't this the fire links so no. Them always silent when the double it blow. Yo, them no want foreign links to grow out here. But when them drop tune, them drop them like nuclear. When them see DJ Ice all of them start cheer.
I'm gonna put a beat in for the franchise song, you know. Him come like a Burger King. Him call up the boss man and do ya. Yo boss, can I get a dumpling to play tonight? So you are going, man.
Father Arnold, big up yourself, you know, big up Guyana people them. And the Guyana massive. Run things. Hold the minutes, you know. Keep, you know, eat.
DJ Arnold. Hey, are you singer?
Smoke. Dangerous. When the sun comes shine, and the rain comes fall, I get dangerous. And when the sun won't get, like up in the chest, we get dangerous. And when the sun gets right, look in his eyes, we get dangerous. Dangerous. We get dangerous. Dangerous. We're really dangerous. Yeah. And when the sun gets right, we bust up the chest, we get dangerous. And the sun won't play, we let them out right away. And when the sun comes shine, and rain comes fall, we get dangerous. For we live no round and play, we serious. Every day we don't call it, so you are. Family sound, that is someone. Big up, Father Anel. Guyana people them. Big up. Hold the melody, say that. All over there. A ninja, we ninja. A ninja, we ninja. Yes, family, you are ninja. What we tell them tonight? Ninja, we ninja. What we get dangerous. Family, no round nothing. See ya. You think so you can't come and run up and down? Night ah, we dangerous. You better call your boss again. We have to get some more. I really not. Cause the ninja, we ninja. And dangerous. I really love on this song. We see ya. Look at this. Don't worry, love, no play. Get on for another day. Somebody have to run away. But if you're coming, come play. You're ninja. Dance all the ninja. La. I really can't hear ya. All right, Lord. Big up all the people who come out tonight for get a good party. Yeah, that's something. Big up all the culture man them. All the ones that will do say the rule from both times. So you are.
Green sucker from Links sound. Massive, listen to me now. Father Links. When they move the sun, when the smoke got they can't get carried now. Guyanese massive.
What you saying?
Massive now come from every massive. They're going to step down simple now. Foreigns, marijuana.
Let me see you roll up the bag.
Wow! Foreigners, gypsy king of sin, give her the way, come down your way. Papa want the dunk and then we'll go.
CINATI legal.
You ain't the way, won't sense the way. Ganja is smoke, Father Links.
Last one.
Asian ganja was found, and that grape of kings all around them.
One more to the franchise song.
Stop on.
You come like a Burger King.
And this time, when I will talk to the valley, then the run to the swamp. Now sound of move on, until we reach away. And listen, family down on the world champion. And those they get a job. Father is them, give away the way. Don't ganja way. All the money don't have your will burn down the green. Give away the way. Don't sense the way. Ganja will run the highest. And then the over castle, over class, we are.
What we say now?
Smoke ice for the ornament and put it on the ship. Hard and down, that's a new country. I don't want to let you down the baby speech watch. Father, he's up on the road, don't it? We're tired of our discussion, you must be last one. You ain't no
Yo, how feel about Foreign Links? Yeah, Massive, we got more bullets to shoot. So this is your time, Massive. We need y'all to participate. This is the judgment round. We go round, see how it goes. Hold up. Don't worry, Buju. Don't worry. We're going to keep this fire going. All who say Rolling Thunder win the first round, hand in the air. Rolling Thunder, hand in the air. Boy, the people not nice tonight. All who say Foreign Links win that round, hand in the air. Foreign Links, hand in the air. 1, 2, 3. So you see how it's gonna go tonight, Massey? We need y'all to help vote this, because this is a war. So we're gonna give this one to Rolling Thunder. First round, Rolling Thunder. Now watch that, man. Now watch that. Now watch that. You done? So what? First round lock off? First round lock off, he say it's done. The people pay their money, and you want to do the people like this?
He cry. You have to excuse him. Every fucking clash him cry. He been off more than he can fucking chew tonight because he knows someone gonna stomp him and kill him and whoop him like, first them take away MPS. Now I'm gonna whoop his ass. You know what I'm saying?
Hold on. Let's get it in order, because we want any out of towners or anybody that never been in the business that, you know, it's a respectful thing, you know, so we're gonna keep everything on the up and up. You know, no disrespect. Let's keep everything straight. So, yo, Father Links.
Vic, hold on. Father Links. It's nothing personal. Everybody in here know this is entertainment. This is just entertainment. You ever watch football? You think he can't tackle? He have to tackle some body. You see what I'm saying? Hey, you know what I'm saying, Mucho?
Hold on. The people come here to see a war, and that's all it's about. So,
yes,
the brethren say it was a red card. We don't know nothing about a red card. We want to hear what song it was so we can go back and hear it and look in the history and tell you if it was a 45. But the brethren can't tell us what song it is, so he want to quit. And yo, in Cincinnati, we ain't got no quitters. Yo, so Foreign Links, yo, we in Cincinnati, the people paid to hear you come play. Yo, brethren, dust him off in the next 2 rounds. Don't worry about the first round, man. Dust him off. If you got 2, don't worry about the 45. Let him play 45 all night. Play the dubs and kill him. Don't worry. Yo. People want to hear some music.
All who want to see the war, so yeah. All who want to see the war, so yeah. Father Links, what y'all do to Cincinnati people? If he don't play, don't support. Nothing we want to do. Because we're unity around here. And we don't need no disruption. You know what I'm saying? We don't need no disruption around here. So Cincinnati, this is entertainment, and it's not animosity, no hate, no nothing. We just come to entertain you, like a football and boxing match. This guy a ball and I cry. Let me play some song.
No. Let's keep this straight, because you know we want to know if the brethren gonna play, because the people pay their money to see a war. And,
I love it.
Yo, it ain't right for you to act this way when the people pay their money. You know what I'm saying? So what you want to do, Daylight? You want to squash this round?
Me and play.
Yo.
Bring the movie laptop
We
and
want
close.
you to play for the people. We're going to squash this round. We're going to squash it. We're going to squash it. Don't worry. 10 minutes. Everybody now. You through? Everybody now. Nobody know.
This is entertainment and this is talent. You know what I'm saying, brother? We come for entertainment, Cincinnati. Tell me what we know.
There is a legendary flag.
Respect that.
Some sound I'm dead off in the night time now, coming on the road. Rolling thunder sound govern the situation. Russia bus by. Yeah.
We all got killing with.
We're killing with diamond selection. I'm black down the station. Across the nation.
Chris, who ran to them, son?
Gunshot report in every direction. With a big spit on the west side. What an impression.
Ask the lovers of the ones up, leave the swim with the box, and I don't get trouble me. Nobody think I'm rolling thunder in some boy dead from. Gunshot to your grave. We murder son and send them off to the grave. And rolling thunder about your bowl and your grave. They are gonna kill some campaign. Wow. Marrow fly like a bird or a plane. You're on the news and some boy get slain. They're driving just look now them life young in jail. Can't manage it up, so I keep it play. Some boy get up beating.
When the guns are running over the black place. When the guns are running over the black place.
Rolling thunder, smoke, chronic, and burner, a sound. Yeah. Rolling thunder, smoke, chronic, and burner, every drum and sound. Rolling thunder, kill drum and sound and meditate. Right. So in all our killings or rewards with
Violence.
So why won't you leave the rolling thunder alone? Can't you see that we're protected by the Father on his throne? He'll never allow you to trample us down. Rolling thunder, they might murder in a dance hall. Yes, they think to murder sound.
He vexed because I got his ex-wife on the phone, and since he's leaving, y'all got dead right here.
Yes, we was together for a short time until I started to see a pattern of strange behavior. They kick him out of Guyana for sexing up all the boats on the island. We moved to New York and kick him out for doing things Speedy would be ashamed of. Now we moved to Cincinnati, and this is where I couldn't take it anymore. He would dress up in a panty and bra and call himself Father P.
You're rolling thunder. Probably know some other rich boy crash like Bob Buckland Honda. Hear me and say about it. Hear me and say me every day. Lincoln Heights. In a bad man rule, a bad man law. No man have to dress up in a panty and bra. A rolling thunder, the real outlaw. Watch me make we kill the pussy from Guyana. So play the rhythm blue, I make we
to love pussy, but now the boy switch. I kept him out, and him act like him a bitch. So he every day, bad man on the rise. I real name you bad man, that's a junkie. We go there tonight, and we ain't go fuck the monkey. You remember when you get a man from the promoter girl? You remember? And we ain't go fuck the monkey.
Island. We moved to New York and kick him out for doing things P. Diddy would be ashamed of. Now we moved to Cincinnati and this is where I couldn't take it anymore. He would dress up in a panty and bra and call himself Father Pink.
You're rolling thunder. Probably know some other rich boy crash like bumper clad Honda. Hear me I say about it. Hear me I say Lakers in a bad man rule, a bad man law. No man have to dress up in a panty and bra. A rolling thunder the real outlaw. Watch me make we kill the pussy from Guyana. So play the rhythm blue, I make we expose this bitch. He used to love pussy, but now the boy switch. I kept him out, and him act like him a bitch. So he every day, bad man on the rise up heavy clip. I real name you bad man, that's a junkie. We go there tonight, and we ain't go fuck the monkey. You remember when you get a man from the promoter girl? Say she back you down because you smell funky. I rolling thunder and down things in a killer. I better almost make send and a shot. Fishing links can't kill my sound. Think alike, go and go last downtown. Pussy Rolex, that's a radiant cloud. Every dance you get the man drunk round the sound. That's why Guyana never want you, and New York never blood clot want you. Cincinnati we worse, now are you? Guyana never want you, and New York they never want you. Cincinnati we no blood clot want you.
Yes, we was together for a short time until I start to see a pattern of strange behavior. They kick him out of Guyana for sexing up all the boats on the island. He's not a lizard. I give him one more chance. We move to New York and kick him out for doing things P. Diddy would be ashamed of. Now we move to Cincinnati and this is where I couldn't take it anymore. He would dress up in a panty and bra and call himself Father Pink.